21. The sway bar link. Let's see what torques. T30. There we go. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna make short work of the back here. Remove it. I got my 15 ready to go. $21 to the bottom. This low control arm bolt out. Drop the jack a little bit until I see some air gap coming on that bolt. I'm holding the coilover from the bottom. You got a M12 socket up top, and you got some flange nuts that are on the cowl. If you get on my right side, is the car too high?
You want me to turn that socket?
Yeah. By hand. I want you to thread them in. Just like start them so that the coilover is like ready for being held. You're checking the M12 on the quarter drive, and you're tightening up the 13 and the 15 up top on the casting. That way we can actually get to it from the top without dropping that whole casting like we did before. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. 1645. Okay, now that I grab my 21 wrench and my 13/16ths, so I'm gonna put the coilover lower bolt in there. Okay, sway bar link will be held in place using an 18mm open end wrench and 230 bolts. Oh yeah, it's definitely there. Very nice. I really appreciate that Tesla did a pro move by having a Nord-Lock washer. 22 socket. Go ahead and run all those battery bearings. Yeah, so it has freedom. So we'll just find a tappy spot on like one side of the travel probably. Yep, you see how it goes. So we got some shock simulators in here. And got them right over this pinch weld. A little clip for that pinch. It's plugged into an oval hole there. Original place was up here by this hard line.